this is most favorable, especially for you ladies, because we all know that you guys are more attracted to jewelry other than just food tripping. Guys, let's look here.
Manila Beijing.
The second bridge, and my partner will introduce to you the Manila Beijing Friendship Bridge.
And this Manila Beijing Friendship Bridge is in commemoration of the START event wherein former Mayor Lyndon Tiensa and former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo built this for in accordance to symbolize the friendship between China and the Philippines.
Ito the bridge shall symbolize the truth. Hindi kayo dito nagbondo.